Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix invalid email on Discord mobile app. Let's get started. First, double check your email spelling. First, make sure there are no mistakes when you are typing your email. Also, make sure you are using the real email, like one ending in @gmail.com or @icloud.com. After that, check if you're using the correct email format. Your email should look like your name after that @email.com. It must have added symbol and a domain like .com or .net. If it's missing either one, Discord won't accept it. Check if you are logging into the right account. If you already have a Discord account, make sure you are logging in, not signing up. Sometimes people hit register when they meant to hit login and Discord said the email is invalid because it's already in use. At last, restart the app, swipe up to close Discord, then open it again and try entering the email one more time. And that's it. If you follow these steps, check for mistakes, use the correct format and make sure you are on the right screen, you should be able to fix the invalid email error or log in or sign up with no problem. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.